Fine, let us go with the problem number 19. Here we need to simplify here 1 plus 2 divided by 1 plus 3 divided by 1 plus 4 divided by 5. Right. To simplify this, first we need to solve this one. Right. Let me solve. What they have given here is 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3 that divided by 1 plus 4 by 5. Let me go with this first, that is 1 plus 4 by 5. So what it gives? So 5 is the LCM, take LCM 5. So 1 5s are 5, 1s are 5 plus 4, which is going to become 9 by 5. So this gives, right, 1 plus 2 by 1 plus 3 that divided by 9 by 5, which we can rewrite, that is 1 plus 2, right, 1 plus 3, right. So this go to the numerator, that is 3 into 5 by 9, right, which is nothing but 1 plus 2 by 1 plus 5 3s are 15 by 9. Now we have to simplify this. So simplify that, 1 plus 15 by 9, right, 9 is going to be the LCM, right, 9 is going to be the LCM, 9 plus 15, 9 plus 15 is going to be 24 by 9. So 24 by 9, again I can simplify because both the numbers are multiple of 3. So 3 3s are, right, 3 8s. This will become 8 by 3. Now I will substitute here. So that is going to be 1 plus 2, 1 plus, right, 3. So this is simplified now, right, that is nothing but 8 by 3, right. Now I'll reorganize 2, that into 3 by 8. So 1 plus 3 2s are 6 by 8. So I can simplify here because both numbers are divisible by 2. This will become 1 plus 2 3s are 3 and as well as 2 4s are. This is going to be the final one. Now we have to solve this. This is going to be, so 1 plus 3 by 4. I'll take a LCM 4, right. So 1 4s are 4, 1s are 4 plus 3, that is 4 is divisible by 4, right, 4 1s are 4, 1 into 3 is 3, which is going to become 7 by 4. The option 7 by 4 is the right one.